Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my Sunshine Academy. This is class 10 history making of global world. So कैसे ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड जो है ये आज जो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं ये कैसे तैयार हुआ था, शुरुआत कहाँ से हुआ था, इसके बारे में आज थोड़ा बहुत जान लेंगे. सो प्री मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड हम सो कॉल्ड जो मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड जो बोलते हैं ये कहाँ से, इससे पहले क्या था. That is, the globalization refers to an economic system that emerged since last 50 years. Last 50 years को हम globalization बोल सकते हैं. ग्लोबलाइजेशन का शुरुआत हुआ था, बट उससे पहले क्या था. ट्रेड, माइग्रेशन, पीपल सर्च इन द वर्क, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द कैपिटल and much else from the ancient time, travelers, trades, priests. ये सब कुछ जो सब के बारे में जो knowledge है, that is the spiritual fulfillment as early 3000 BCE at the active coastal trade linked to the Indus Valley civilization and the present day of the West Asia. So Indus Valley civilization के बारे में हम लोग इससे पहले जान चुके थे और हम लोग पढ़ चुके भी हैं. सो इसके बाद जो आता है दैट इज द वेस्ट एशिया. सिल्क रूट लिंक्ड द वर्ल्ड. सिल्क रूट के बारे में मैं बहुत पहले क्लास 4 या एट प्रेजेंट आई कांट रिमेम्बर, बट 4 या 5 में मैं सिल्क रूट के बारे में इसी चैनल में मैंने बताया था. पिक्चर ड्रॉ करके मैंने बताया था. So silk routes link the world. Silk routes are the good example of the vibrant pre-modern trade and the cultural link between the distant part of the world. Several silk routes have been identified, that is the historian overland by sea connecting vast regions of the Asia and linking Asia with Europe and Northern Africa in exchange of textile and spices from India. Precious metal, gold, silver flowed from the Europe to Asia. So ये सब जो है ये इंडिया से ये जो इंडिया का जो मेटल्स है, गोल्ड है, सिल्वर है, ये बाहर जाना शुरू किया. Food travels, that is spaghetti to potato. Food offers many examples of the long distance culture exchange. Definitely, that is the ready to food stuff such as the noodles travel. Noodles कहाँ से आया? Noodles तो हम लोगों के देश का तो खाना नहीं है. वो कहाँ से आया? From China. To become spaghetti. Spaghetti के हिसाब से आया. Our ancestors were not familiar with the common foods such as the potatoes, soybeans, groundnuts, maize, tomatoes, chilies, sweet potato, like that. So many of our common foods came from the Americans origin inhabitants and the American Indians. So हम लोगों का जो खाना है बहुत कुछ बाहर से आया है, बहुत कुछ बाहर से आया है, यहाँ से भी बाहर गया है. So conquest, disease and trades. Conquest, the Indian version of the centuries before had knowing the bustling trade, goods, people, knowledge, customs, etc. That is, ये जो है हम जब ट्रेड शुरू हुआ था, ये जो फ्लो है यूरोप अमेरिका से, सिर्फ कॉन्क्वेस्ट या फिर ट्रेड नहीं हो रहा था. डिजीज जो है वो भी उधर से इधर, इधर से उधर, ये सब होता था. द पोर्टुगीज स्पेनिश कॉन्क्वेस्ट, द colonization of America was decisively underway to the mid 16th century. इसके बाद जो आया था दैट इज सम, जैसे कि पॉक्स, स्मॉल पॉक्स, चिकन पॉक्स, ये सब जो है कैरिड फ्रॉम देयर पर्सन. यूरोपियन से ये सब आया था. मिलिट्री वेपन्स, जर्म्स भी आया था. इट प्रोवाइड टू बी डेडली किलर. Until the 19th century, that is the poverty and hunger were common in Europe until well in the 19th century, China and India were among to the world's richest country. However, the 15th century China is said to has the restricted overseas contacts to the retreat into the isolation Europe. Europe now emerged the center of the world trade. अभी जो है यूरोप वर्ल्ड ट्रेड का जो सेंटर है वो अभी यूरोप हुआ था. That is the 19th century में क्या हुआ था? First flow of the trade, that is the largely trade of goods. Second flow labor migrant हुआ था. And third flow में क्या है? Short term long term capital जो है वो investment, long distance investment ये सब होता है, होना शुरू किया. That is the 19th century 1815 to 1940. The world economy takes shape in 19th century. The food meant lower living standards of the social conflict in Britain. It happened because the population growth of the late 18th century corn laws of the imports, that is the complete with the imports of the vast area of the land cultivated, so the thousand men and women flocked in the cities और माइग्रेट ओवरसीज. सो इसमें से वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी जब शुरू हुआ तब क्या है, लेबर भी माइग्रेट होना शुरू किया. That is the Britain food price in mid 19th century growth, industrial growth शुरू हो गया था. American, Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Russia, America, Australia lands that is the clear to the expand food production के लिए वो use होना शुरू हो गया था. 1890 में global agriculture economy एक अच्छा shape लिया था. Complex changes, labor movement patterns, capital flow, ecological and technology के हिसाब से भी वो बहुत अच्छा हुआ था. इंडिया में क्या हुआ था? इंडिया में वेस्ट पंजाब, that is the British India government built the network, that is the irrigation canals to the transfer of the semi-desert west of the fertile agricultural land to the growth wheat and the cotton export. सो रोल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, टेक्नोलॉजी का रोल क्या है? दैट इज द ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, रेलवे, स्टीम, टेलीग्राफ, टेलीग्राफ, दैट इज द स्टीमशिप, ये 19th सेंचुरी में ऑलरेडी टेक्नोलॉजी एंटर कर चुका था लार्जेस्ट सोशल पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स में. दैट इज द इम्प्रोवाइजेशन ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्ट, फास्टर रेलवेज, लाइटर वैगन, a larger ship helped to move the cheaply and quickly from faraway farms, that is the final markets. Animals were also shipped the America to Europe in 1870s. That is the meats were considered as the expensive luxury beyond, that is the reach of the European poor. The break of the earlier monotony bread of the potatoes, many of them are now add meat with their diet. सो द लेट 19th सेंचुरी कॉलोनियलिज्म क्या हुआ था? लेट 19th सेंचुरी में ये डार्केस्ट साइड टू, ये कॉलोनियलिज्म का एक डार्क साइड है. दैट इज द वर्ल्ड इज एक्सपेंस ट्रेड क्लोजर रिलेशनशिप विद द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी, दैट इज द फ्रीडम ऑफ द लाइवलीहुड. इन 1885 that is the big European powers meet Berlin to the complete of the carving up the Africa between them. That is the Britain and France made vast additions to their overseas territory. Belgium, Germany became new colony powers. ये आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन में, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है. That is the US is also become the colonial power, that is the late 1890 to taken some colonies earlier held by the Spain. That is the Rinderpest and the cattle plague. That is in Africa 1980 the fastest spreading disease. It is the cattle plague जो हुआ था. That is the people livelihood in the local economy, Africa, abundant land and the relatively the small population. It is late 19th century European were the attracted to Africa due to the vast resource and the land minerals. ये 18-19 सेंचुरी में यूरोपियंस लोग जो है वो अफ्रीका के प्रति आकर्षित हुए थे, क्योंकि उसका वास्ट रिसोर्स बहुत था एंड मिनरल्स भी था. Europeans came to Africa hoping to establish the plantation of the mines, that is the produce crop, minerals export. But there was an unexpected problem, that is the shortage of labor shortage tha wahan pe. That is the only member of the family is allowed to inherit the land. The late 1880s, that is the reindeer space arrived in Africa, carried to the infected cattle import from the British Asia to feed Italian soldiers, that is the invading, that is the Eritrea tria in East Africa. That is the cattle destroy the Africa's livelihood. That is the इसके बाद हम लोग बात करेंगे लेबर माइग्रेशन के ऊपर. That is the labor migration, two sides of nature in 19th century. The world faster economic growth as well as the great misery, higher income in the some poverty of the other, technology advances of the some area to the new form. That is in India, that is the indentured labor where the hired under the कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के बेसिस के ऊपर लेबर माइग्रेट होना शुरू हुआ था. दैट इज द उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, सेंट्रल इंडिया एंड ड्राई डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ तमिलनाडु से जो लेबर था वो माइग्रेट होना शुरू हुआ था. दैट इज द इंडियन migration. Main destinations was the Caribbean island, mainly the Trinidad, the Guyana, ये सब जगह में वहां पर जाते थे. That is the indentured workers is also recruited. The tea plantation Assam in 19th century indentured has the describe of the new system of the slavery. In the Trinidad, the annual Muharram procession was the transformed to the that is the carnival called the Hosei is which worker is raises the religious joy. So similarly, the protest religion in Rastafarianism, and it is also the reflect of the social and cultural link with India. Migrants of the Caribbean from the thousands of the Indian nationalist leaders began opposing the system of this migration is abusive and cruel, क्योंकि यहाँ पर धर्म में चला आया था. That is इसी के लिए ये माइग्रेशन के अगेंस्ट में इंडियन नेशनलिस्ट जो थे वो लोग प्रोटेस्ट किए थे. एंड इट वाज एबोलिश्ड. कब एबोलिश्ड हुआ था? इन 1921 में. So Indian entrepreneurs abroad, the people need to the huge capital grow food of the other crops, that is the world market. So the humble present, that is and that is the Shekharipuri shop and the Nattukotai, that is was the amongst of the group bankers. The trade, that is the finance export of the agricultural in Central and the Southeast Asia, using the either their own funds, those borrowed from the European banks. India trade colonialism and the global system. Cotton from the India where the exported to the Europe, Britain, tariffs, ये सब cotton export होता था. That is the Britain trade surplus, that is the India is also helped to the come home charges through include the private remunerates home by British officials and the trade interest payment and the India's external debt and the pension of the British official in India. The interwar economy means that is the first world war में क्या हुआ था? ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस एंड रशिया एक तरफ था एंड द सेंट्रल पावर जर्मनी, ऑस्ट्रिया, हंगेरी, ऑटोमन तुर्की, ये सब एक साइड में था. तो इसमें क्या हुआ था? कौन सा चीज, हालांकि ये कॉमन सेंस है, जब वॉर होता है तो कौन सा चीज ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है? दैट इज गन्स, टैंक्स, एयरक्राफ्ट, केमिकल वेपन्स एक्सेट्रा। ये सब मैसिव स्केल में ट्रांसफर होना शुरू हो गया था। ब्रिटेन borrowed the large sum of the money of the US banks, the well as the US public, that is the transforming of the US from the international debtor of the international creditor। तो पोस्ट वार रिकवरी कैसे हुआ था? That is the leading economy forced, that is the prolonged crisis, industries the develop of the India, Japan, while Britain was the preoccupied in the war। The Britain after the war is found it difficult to the recapture its earlier position of the dominance in the India market and the compete with the Japan internationally। So ये सब जो है ये धीरे धीरे इंडिया, ब्रिटेन, जापान ये सब इंटरनेशनली आंतरजातिक स्तर पर ये मतलब उभर कर आ गए। That is the rise of the mass production and consumption। इससे 1920 के बाद से ये जो प्रोडक्शन है, कुछ भी चीज का जो प्रोडक्शन है वो मास के लिए शुरू हो गया था। मॉडल फोर्ड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट मास प्रोड्यूस्ड कार, जैसे मॉडल फोर्ड ये यूरोप, यूएस इज ऑल्सो द कॉपी टू द यूरोप इन 1920। दैट इज द डिमांड ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटर, वॉशिंग मशीन, ये सब का डिमांड धीरे धीरे बढ़ना शुरू हो गया था। The Great Depression began around 1929, at least is till the mid of the 1930। इस टाइम में क्या हुआ था? The most of affected area of the agricultural region, that is the communities combination that of the factors led to the depression। The first factor is the agricultural overproduction, that is the second is the mid 20s may the countries that is the financed where the investment through that is the loan of US। The rest of the world affected the withdrawal of the US loans in different way। The US is also affected in depression। US banking system collapsed। US का जो बैंकिंग सिस्टम था वो उस टाइम में पूरा कोलैप्स हो गया था। सो बैंकक्रप्ट हो गया था एंड वेर फोर्स्ड टू क्लोज। इंडिया एंड द ग्रेट डिप्रेशन। इंडिया में क्या हुआ था? affected India also affected by the Great Depression। The prices of agricultural is sharply, but still the colonial government refused to the reduce of the revenue demands। In those the depression's years, India became an exporter of the precious metals, notably gold। Rural India was thus see things with unrest when Mahatma Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement, that is the High Depression in India 1931। That is the rebuild of the world economy। कैसे वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी को रिबिल्ड हुआ था? 2 decades after the first world war, the second world war broke out। It was the fought between the Axis power, that is the Nazi Germany, Japan, Italy, and the allies Britain, France, and Soviet Union and US। The war continued 6 years। 6 years war होने के बाद जो डिवास्टेशन शुरू हुआ था, सोशल डिसरप्शन शुरू हुआ था। that is the post world reconstruction was the shift of the two crucial influence, that is the US emerged to the dominant economy, political and the military power in the western world। Post-war settlement and the Bretton Woods institutions, that is the two key lessons were the drawn out from the interwar economic experience। First, mass production cannot be the sustained without mass communication। Second lesson, that is the related to the country's economic links with the outside world। The Bretton Woods conference, that is the establish the International Monetary Fund to deal with the external surplus and the defects of its member nations। That is the develop the International Bank for the reconstructions and the development was set up that is the financial post-war reconstructions. The IMF of the World Bank commercial financial operations in 1947. The early post war year में क्या हुआ था? वेस्टर्न इंडस्ट्रियल नेशंस जापान ड्यूरिंग द डिकेड ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी एंटरप्राइज वर द स्प्रेड वर्ल्ड वाइड. इसमें से जापान सबसे ज्यादा आफ्टर मतलब सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद जापान सबसे ज्यादा उभर कर आया और आज भी टेक्नोलॉजी में जापान बहुत आगे है हम लोगों से. दैट इज द इसके बाद जो शुरू हुआ था दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंस आ गया. इंडिया में भी इंडिपेंडेंस आ गया 1950 में. वर्ल्ड बैंक जो है शिफ्टेड अटेंशन, वर्ल्ड बैंक का जो अटेंशन है वो धीरे धीरे experienced in 1950 to 1960. They organized a group that is the group of 77, that is the demands of the international economy order. The international economy order में that is the real control of the natural resource is development assistance, that is the price of the raw materials of the better access to the manufactured goods and the developed countries market. End the Bretton Woods and the beginning of the globalization. So the US finance ये 1960s में ये the overseas involvements जो था 1960s में शुरू हो गया था. that is the mid 1970s में international finance system change हो गया था and the MNCs begin to shift their production and the leverage Asian countries, that is the China become attractive destinations to the investment of the MNCs. In the last 2 decades, the world's economic geography has been transformed on the countries such as the India, China, Brazil have undergoing rapid economic transformation. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. ये जो लेसन है ये थोड़ा बड़ा है, ये इसको ध्यान से पढ़ना. आपके एनसीईआरटी के किताब में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इसका डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़ना. बहुत अच्छा लेसन है. समझने की बात है यहाँ पर. वही रट्टा मार के एग्जाम में मत जाना, समझने की बात है. So please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.